Hi everybody, it's Mary with Nelson Nursery and Water Gardens, and we just had a freeze. Should I be worried about my lawn? No, not really. We are still going to follow the same rules that we always do for lawns here in Texas. That means mid-February is the time to bump it up and get out there and fertilize. The Nelson TurfStar Weed-inator is a great product to use. It is going to combine your fertilizer and your herbicide and just get you that beautiful green lawn. Now, if you are itching to get out there before that date hits, guess what? Use some MicroLife Humates Plus. You can use this at any time of the year. This is going to give you a boost of nutrients down in the soil and for the roots of the grass. And that is really what we want to focus on, is getting those roots nice and strong so they are ready for spring and, more importantly, ready for summer. So remember, we had a freeze, not really too big of a deal. Wait till that mid-February hits, fertilize, and get that lawn so beautiful. You'll be the envy of all your neighbors.